Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Jen. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. So today is going to be an interesting day. But first off, if you guys haven't seen yet, I got my hair cut and dyed. My last video, which I'll link above for you guys, will kind of go through that process of what it looked like before and what it looked like after. And it doesn't really do much in the middle, but you can see the fun transition of me wearing all the foils. But I really like it. I've had it for about a week now, and yeah, I love it. It feels so much healthier, and it's much more of what I want and much more me, and makes me really happy, especially since fall started, and fall is my favorite season. So I'm really, right now is like the perfect time. Pumpkin spice, candy corn. I know I'm one of those weirdos that like candy corn. It's fine. I'm okay if you judge me for that. I will still be eating all my candy corn as much as my heart desires because I just love it so dearly. So yeah, if you hate it, just send it my way. I'll eat it for you. I'll take one for the team. I volunteer as tribute. Yes, I just took that for the Hunger Games. Don't judge me. It's been a week. Anywho, today this video is going to be that Google picks my outfit. I saw Nikki Tutorials do this. I'm unsure if she started it or if she took it from somebody else, but that's who I saw do it. I'll link her video down below so you guys can check it out. But basically what you do, and you can see the screenshots here of kind of the process and also what I did for the first outfit, because I'm gonna do two outfits today. The one that Nikki did, she did it, her makeup based off of a picture. So what you do is you go to Google and then you type in your first initial, your last initial, and then look. And then you go to images and you find the first picture and you have to base your outfit off of that. So here is the picture for the first image. It's a horse. So I don't have a lot of brown in my closet, and I'll probably explain this later on again just so you guys are reminded of I don't really own a lot of brown. I think I own a few pieces. I'm unsure of how many at this moment, but I'll let you guys know later on how much I have. So I'm interested to see how this outfit comes out, but let's see how it goes. And yeah, here's outfit number one. All right, so here's outfit number one. I hope you guys recognize it. It's from my Shein haul video. If you guys haven't checked that out yet, I'll link it up above. But if you guys noticed, I used the skinny belt. It was the favorite of everyone. It sounded liked the smaller belt better than the bigger belt. I also did a tri-fold or double fold, so I folded it down once and folded it again, so there's more space between my neck and the top of the turtleneck. I also have these nice knee-high brown boots on. I have a pair of leggings on. I usually would wear stockings, but I had leggings on today, so I didn't feel like changing out of them. But it still gives you like the same look. And then I went with a bright lipstick, which somebody recommended to me on, I believe, one of my Facebook comments. So I really enjoy this. I love wearing this. It makes me feel like fall's finally starting and makes me happy. I only have this for brown. I have one other shirt that's a brown shirt, but I really don't have anything that matches it. So that's why I went with this to match the video. I know it's not the right color brown. Like, I know it's not the right shade. So don't come at me, please. Like, I know that it's not the right brown, but it's the only one I have. And the whole goal is to be inspired by a photo. So that's kind of why I decided to go with the tan, because it's what I had. Also, if you guys have suggestions for me on how to make outfits better, or if you would style them differently, please let me know in the description box or in the comments below, because I'm willing to change up my style and try out new things that you guys want me to see me try. So if I get another dress or something, you guys want to see me wear it again, but maybe styled a little differently, like, I'm willing to do that. I want to learn. I want to like grow and like develop my style even more than what I have it. And like, my lipstick was based off of a suggestion from a fan. So like, just let me know, and you'll see it probably in a future video at some point of me trying out whatever you suggested. I really like listening to you guys and like figuring out different things of how to make my style better and how to make my YouTube in general better. So if you guys have any suggestions, like always feel free to comment. I will try my best to comment back as soon as I can. I feel like I'm fairly good at responding to comments, so yeah, I just want you guys to enjoy this as much as I'm enjoying doing it. And yeah, so like let's get on to the second outfit. And okay, so now that we have that one done, I'm going to go on to outfit number 2. So for this one, I kind of took it upon myself. I decided to do my first initial, last initial, and outfit. And this is the picture that popped up. It is much more my style. It's kind of more of the 90s, like grungy type vibes. I don't have cigarettes. I don't have a gun. And I don't have a black trench coat really. But I think I can manage the graphic tee, the plaid shirt. I'll just probably use the one I have on because it's my favorite that I own. And then combat boots, which I can always wear my heeled combat boots. But yeah, so here's outfit number 2. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so this is outfit number 2. I'm getting serious 90s vibes right now from this. Also, I had to steal my boyfriend's shirt because I don't really have graphic tees. I've gotten rid of the majority of the few that, or I had maybe 4, but I got rid of a lot of them. So I stole his shirt. It's a Star Wars shirt. I watched it for the first time this past, last winter, so like a year ago. And I actually really enjoyed them. I was always a Harry Potter nerd. So like it was just a different type of realm, and I just never got into it until my boyfriend and I watched them over Christmas break last year. And I really enjoyed them. Like, I really liked the middle 3, which I believe is episode 1 through 3 with Padme and Anakin. Like, those were some of my favorites, even though they're kind of the more quote-unquote boring ones. I really enjoyed the story and how it, like, progressed and how they developed, like, those characters really, really well. And I'm not saying that the other ones were okay. I've watched the 6 I've watched 8. I haven't seen the last one yet. I didn't really like the 2 newer ones. I like all the original 6 are my favorites. I really liked them. So yeah, but to the outfit, I think I like this outfit better than the other one. The other one, while I like the sweater, I feel like this one kind of I can wear more year round, and it's more casual and comfy. I guess I could wear a sports bra with the other one. I really like outfits I can wear sports bras with. I'm really lazy. So, yeah. But I think I like this, but I'll do like a spin. The back's not anything different. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys this week. Next week I'm starting the Halloween month series. Halloween's probably my 3rd favorite holiday behind Thanksgiving and Christmas, so I'm excited to be able to start celebrating with that. I think I'm going to start going through a bunch of different costume ideas and stuff like that, so make sure you guys check that out when I upload them next week. As always, make sure you add me on all my socials. They will be on the screen after this is over, so make sure you add me on all of them. They're also linked down below. It would be really cool. You'll stay up to date on all my uploads, and I'll randomly post. I'm going to start posting more during the week. So if you want to stay up to date on my life, make sure you check those out. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. I'm going to end with a fun fact as always. So since we've been talking about concerts, because this look is very much of a concert look, I'm going to tell you guys what my first concert was. My first concert was when I was, I believe, 17. I went with my best friend, my best friend's mom, and my mom to the Band Perry concert. It was a free concert at the New York State Fair. I believe it's called the Chevy Court. Honestly, I don't know. I haven't been there many times. I'm not a huge New York State Fair girl. Now, North Carolina State Fair, I'm going to go to that multiple times. The New York one is just, like, way bigger than the North Carolina one, and I just hate going in the middle of August, whereas the North Carolina one is usually, I think, in, like, end of September, October time. So it's cooler and not as hot. Anyways, so my first technical concert was that one. My first concert that I paid for a ticket was Warped Tour, so I went to a bunch of different concerts that day. And my first official concert for one band was Panic at the Disco, which was really fun. So yeah, as you guys can probably tell, I have a wide array of music, considering the band Perry is a country group and Panic at the Disco is more of like a pop, rock, punk. Unsure of where to categorize them, but they're kind of a mix of everything in that realm. And yeah, I listen to basically anything. I just love music a lot. It is something that gets me through a lot of things that I've been through in my life. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe and like down below and comment if you guys like this or not and what you guys want to see me do in the future. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Love ya. Bye.